Hi everyone, just got the new HP Spectre x360 2-in-1 laptop. So this is the Best Buy edition, so we're gonna do an unboxing to see what we get inside the box, because apparently the Best Buy edition does not appear to have the dongle or the pen, so we're gonna find out right now whether that's the case or not. So this is gonna be, let's see, model number is 14EU0023DX. Alright, so this comes with 2 TB solid state drive and 32 GB of soldered RAM on board. So let's see what we get here. Okay, so peel these seals. All right, here it is. Okay, so right up top we got the laptop. Ooh, look at that. I gotta tell you, this thing feels pretty nice in the hands. Definitely nice metal build. Let's get her opened up. Okay. So this is obviously the 14-inch screen version. Alright, so that's first. So we got the laptop. I think the purpose of this thing is to have it propped up, but I guess they didn't make it that way. Alright, so we got it open. So I could already tell with the box open, this slot is empty. I believe that's usually where you would have the little additional accessories, but let's open this. Okay, nothing else under here. This appears to be just the usual nonsense. Alright, so and you get charger and the plug. So that answers the question. No, at the $1,899 price point from Best Buy, this is the jam-packed model, which gets the 32 GB, 2 TB of storage. It does not come with the dongles, and it does not come with the stylus pen, which if you order directly from HP, you do get it. But unfortunately, through HP, you have to customize it in order to get this setup, and that takes about, my last check, it was about a month and a half to get the device in. Best Buy, you can get it usually next day, or if your local Best Buy has it in stock, you can get it directly through them and store. So now, since I got the device out, let's take a quick look here so you can see. This looks really nice. The keyboard looks pretty good. The feel is awesome. I love the spacing. I love the little changes that they have. So, as most of you know from other reviews, obviously there's the 2 USB-C Thunderbolt ports, and then over here just the standard USB-A and your aux plug. Okay, so now that I got that out, let's open this up. So I got a few other models we could compare it to here. So real quick, to compare the size, so this is the Lenovo 9i, but this is the 2023 version. And then right here I have the Zenbook, but this is also the 2023 version. I'm sorry, this is the Zenbook Flip. All right, it's the 14-inch OLED display. And then I also have the Surface Book 3. So that's going to be Surface Book 3. I'll probably do a comparison video later on between the Surface Book 3 and the Spectre. This also has the 32 megabyte RAM, and then the 1 terabyte storage on it. So that's the size difference. Let's close these so we can just kind of get a quick comparison of the sizes. So this one is supposed to be 13.5 size screen, and then these are both 14. Now as far as looking at them immediately, they all look about exact same size. So we got stacked on top about the exact same size. Let's put the Zenbook Flip on top. Now the Zenbook is slightly smaller here. And then on top we're gonna go with the new HP Spectre. And oh, surprisingly, even just a tad bit smaller profile than the rest of them. So we'll take a quick peek from the side so you can see. Very nice thin design. Overall, very great feel and design. I'm loving this thing so far without even using it yet. So there's the back. Alright guys, so that's it for the unboxing. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and hopefully I'll be able to answer any questions that you might have. If you're on the line as far as whether you want to buy this laptop or not. But unfortunately, like I said, it sucks, but not a big deal. It does not come with the stylus pen and the dongles if you get it through Best Buy. If you order through HP directly, then my understanding is, from all the videos I've seen, you do get at least 2-3 different dongles, and you get the stylus pen. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your day.